This is stir-fry vegetable o mas kilalang chop suey. And this only means healthy na, masarap pa. In a heated pan, maglagay lang ng oil at yung isang baong petso na hinati-hati ko na. Don't forget your onions and garlic. Saute mo lang love for 2 to 3 minutes. Lagay mo yung carrots and bagu beans. 1 cup of water para ma-ensure na maging tender yung meat. Season generously with salt, pepper, and Knorr chicken cube. Once done, lagay mo na yung broccolis and cauliflowers. Ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite ko pag chop suey. It is very appetizing, kahit na picky eater, mapapakain mo. Simmer lang natin siya for 5 minutes before adding your bell peppers and cabbage. Mas gusto ko talaga sa chop suey yung half cook lang. So another 5 minutes, then lagay mo na yung slurry. And I just happen to have 2 boiled eggs na natabi. Nilagay ko na rin siya kasi hindi kompleto ang chop suey without eggs. Kuha ka na ng bowl and let's serve and enjoy. If you like this video, like, share, and follow. Thank you for watching. Kain tayo!